Hi, welcome to Tahila Graphics. In today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to design a social media flyer with Pixel Lab. Now, before we continue, I would love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, watch the video, hit the notification button to know when new videos are dropped, and you are good to go. Let's open Pixel Lab. We remove this. We change the canvas to white. We go to shape. We go to circle. We reduce the opacity to 0%. We go to stock. Go to color. Okay. So we copy it, reduce it a little, and add it here. And we go over here to merge them together. Okay, so this is what we have. Okay. Next, we go to gallery. We go to download. To get our image, and we go to 3D rotate. And turn it to the left. Okay. All right, we have it here now. Okay, we go to shape. Okay, this is what we have here. We go to color. We go to position. Okay, next we are going to do is to go to shapes again. Okay, we copy it. We copy it again. Okay, and we place this here. We place this here. We place this here. Okay. So this is what we have. Then we go to texture. The first one, we place it, go to texture. The second one, we place it, we go back to texture. Go to third one, go to texture. Go to texture again. And we use this. We scale. Alright, so this is what we have. We go to shapes again. And we get this. Okay, we go to color. We go to position and we take it up a little. Okay, so this is what we have here. We copy this. Okay, we copy it. And we are going to bring them all up. We go to this place. We bring it up. We bring it up. We bring it up. Okay. Then we go to this top two. So this is what we have. We go to test. We go to test and we type Tahilah. We go to font. We go to font and we change the font to Makaya Demo, and we go to line spacing. We go to color. I will make it black. So next we copy this. We go to edit, and we type 234 081 606 140 99. Okay, we go to line spacing and we reduce it. We reduce it and we place it here. Okay, then we go to gallery, we go to download, and we get the phone icon. We go to position, okay, we go to position again and we take it down and we merge them together. Before merging them, we change the color of the phone icon to red. Then we merge them together, the phone number and the phone icon. We merge them. Okay, that's it. We are done.